Here's our 2019 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Of course, this is going to come loaded with the 6.2 liter V8 engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, as all the Denalis do, 18 and up. This truck actually came to us with side damage. If I remember correctly, it was the driver's side here. So I know one fender was replaced, there was some scuffs on the doors, and then the quarter panel was replaced. But we'll get around to that in just a second. The hood and front bumper cover, rear bumper cover, all of that stuff is still original. The doors are still original. We'll start here. You can see the tire tread depth there is almost brand spanking new. Maybe just a couple little nicks on the rim. Here you can hear the engine's running great. This wheel, yep, about I would say 90% tread life left. Don't see any nicks or anything along that side. There is a moonroof up there, the shade is closed. Second row buckets, rear DVD ×2. No airbags deployed. I see a couple, maybe a little dinger there. Looks like somebody may have leaned up against the vehicle. Of course, power rear liftgate. That's going to be power folding seats up and down in the third row, power folding seats in the second row. Everything in the truck works. We'll do underside here. Looking up top. Again, nothing was touched on the roof. Nothing was touched on the hood, front and rear bumper covers, original doors. It's got a new fender, new quarter panel. So this has been painted, this is not. So you can see the paint is, you know, exactly the same. Of course, it's just black. There is no metallic or anything like that. Perfect paint. Here in the interior, we got the charging pad, again, rear DVD. There is a moonroof up here. I do not have the dome lights on. Let me go ahead and put my seatbelt on. I'll shut it off. Open up the door, that way we get a fresh restart. And keep my hand up here just so you know I'm not trying to clear anything on you. Not touching anything. Of course, my other phone or my other hand is touching the camera, and I'm sorry that that's blurry. I'll tell you, digital cameras, as I say this in all of my videos, and I wish I didn't have to. Digital cameras make TV screens flicker, so sometimes you'll see this stuff flickering. These things always seem to flicker. Promise it's not doing that in real life. It's just the camera doing it. And for some odd reason, I'm getting really blurry images today. 69,444 miles on it. Everything works. Turn it to four-wheel drive. And again, I'm sorry, it's not, but the light says auto. And I really wish, I'm sorry, but the focus on my camera today, you missed that part of it, but we're in four-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and, I mean, it's obviously it's a dry road, so can't really drive on it, but obviously it's engaged. We'll go back to two-wheel drive so I can take you out for a little test drive. truck needs nothing. Just hop in it, drive it. You know, there's no funny squeaks or rattles or anything like that. We did take the truck to an alignment shop. It had an alignment. Really didn't need much of one, just a little bit of a toe adjustment, which may have just been just because of the, you know, people hitting potholes and whatnot. Let's see, it's not flickering in real life. And see if I can hurry up here with this pending storm we have coming. Got some construction going on around here, so traffic is a little bit thicker than normal. I'm trying to concentrate on the traffic, but once we get past this turn, the traffic is fine. So going back to the truck here, we did have the truck aligned. We did have everything checked over. It's got fresh oil in it, fresh oil change. It has also been inspected by the state of Minnesota, so it cleared the salvage status. Now it's a Minnesota prior salvage title, which means you won't need to do anything special in your home state. Just transfer it into your home or own name, no different than any other clean title vehicle. Here again, everything in the truck works perfectly, just as it should. I'll go ahead and hit the cruise, and we got kind of a straight stretch of road here. Letting go of the steering wheel. You can see I'm not touching it whatsoever with my hands or anything along those lines. However, the cruise did not engage. I just shut it off, actually. But I do not believe, obviously it says cruise set to 52. I do not believe that this truck has adaptive cruise control. Apologize for the blurry images I'm getting today. AC blows cold. We're on low right now. Today it's 84 degrees outside. Here again, I'm sorry about the blurry camera. I'm gonna try to wipe off the lens a little bit. Maybe that'll help. Very smooth. Now we got the cruise set. I'll wait till we get a straight stretch of road here. Super quiet. Again, 69,400 miles. I do have 2 sets of keys to it. And it looks like I do have an owner's manual there. However, I do not have the original window sticker to this truck. So that's going to conclude our test drive for today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Otherwise, thank you very much and have a good day.